Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Fluent Journey. I'm Jasmine, your host, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. I hope you are doing well and feeling excited to learn something new. This podcast is for anyone who wants to speak English better, step by step, day by day. If you're a beginner, don't worry. You are in the right place. Today, we are going to talk about something very simple, but also very powerful. We're going to talk about 5 daily habits. Yes, just 5 small things that you can do every day to improve your English. These are easy habits. You don't need a lot of time or money. You just need to try them every day, and slowly, your English will become more fluent and natural. Now, I know that many English learners feel nervous. Maybe you feel shy to speak. Maybe you don't understand fast English. Or maybe you feel like you're not improving. That's okay. Learning a new language takes time, and it's normal to feel this way. But here's a secret. When you practice every day, even just a little, it makes a big difference. Just like brushing your teeth or drinking water, learning English should be part of your daily life. In this episode, I will tell you 5 habits that are simple, fun, and easy to follow. At the end, I'll also give you a bonus tip, so be sure to listen until the end. Are you ready? Let's begin our journey together, and let's take the first step toward fluency with habit number 1. All right, let's begin with habit number 1. Start your day with English. This is a very easy and powerful habit. Every morning after you wake up, do something small in English. Just 5 to 10 minutes is enough. You don't need to study grammar or do a big lesson. Just do one simple thing. Listen, read, or think in English, right at the start of your day. Why is this helpful? Because your mind is fresh in the morning. What you do first thing in the day sets the mood for the whole day. If you begin with English, you tell your brain, "Hey, English is important to me." And your brain will start to focus more on English during the rest of the day. Let me give you some easy ideas. You can listen to a short English podcast, just like this one, while you brush your teeth or eat your breakfast. You can read one short paragraph from a beginner English book. You can look at 3 English words on your phone and say them out loud. Or you can simply speak to yourself in English and say, "Good morning. Today is a new day. I want to speak English better." Even just talking to yourself in English helps you feel more confident. I'll tell you a little story. One of my students, Maria, started listening to a short English podcast every morning while she made her coffee. At first, she didn't understand everything, but after 2 weeks she told me, "Jasmine, I don't feel scared anymore when I hear English. It feels normal now." That's the magic of small habits. So, your first mission is this. Choose one simple English activity for your morning. Keep it short, keep it fun, and do it every day. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to show up and try. That's how you grow. Now, are you ready for the second habit? Let's keep going. Now let's talk about habit number 2. Speak out loud every day. Yes, that's right. Speak English out loud. I know this can feel a little scary, especially if you are just starting to learn English. But don't worry. You don't need to speak to a teacher or a friend right now. You can just speak to yourself. That's right. Self-talk is a wonderful way to practice English. Why is this habit so important? Because when you speak out loud, you train your mouth and your brain to work together. You also build confidence. Speaking helps you remember words better and feel more natural using them. Reading or listening is good, but speaking is what makes you fluent. Let me give you some easy ways to do this. In the morning, say what you are doing. Now I am brushing my teeth. I am making tea. The sun is shining today. When you go outside, describe what you see. There is a big tree. Children are playing in the park. I see a red car. At night, talk about your day. Today I worked at the office. I ate chicken and rice for lunch. I feel tired but happy. Don't worry about grammar or mistakes. You don't have to be perfect. The goal is just to use your voice. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. And if you forget a word, that's okay. Just keep going. Here's a little trick. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself like you're having a conversation with a friend. Smile. Be kind to yourself. You're doing something amazing. One of my students, Arjun, started this habit. He spoke out loud for just 3 minutes every day while walking to work. After 1 month, he told me, "Jasmine, now I can speak to my co-workers in English without fear." That's the power of practice. So your second mission is simple. Talk to yourself in English every day. Even if it's just 1 or 2 sentences. Your voice is your best teacher. Are you ready to learn the next habit? Let's go. Great job staying with me so far. Now it's time for habit number 3. Learn 3 new English words every day. Learning new words is like building a house. Every word is a brick. The more bricks you have, the stronger your house becomes. In the same way, the more words you know, the better you can understand and speak English. But wait, you don't need to learn 20 words in one day. That's too much. Just 3 simple words a day is enough. Why 3? Because 3 is easy to remember. It's not too many, and you can really use them in your day. Let's try it together. Today, let's learn these 3 words. Happy, feeling good. Example, I feel happy today. Walk, to move with your feet. Example, I walk to school every day. Food, what we eat. Example, my favorite food is rice. See? Simple and useful. After you learn these words, try to say them out loud. Write them in your notebook and use them in a sentence. Maybe you can make a small story. I walk to the market. I buy food. I am happy. Isn't that fun? You can learn your new words from many places. Maybe from this podcast, from a YouTube video, a children's storybook, or even from signs in your city. Every time you see a new word, stop and ask, what does this mean? Can I use this word today? Can I remember it tomorrow? Here's one more tip. Keep a small notebook just for new words. Every day, write your 3 words, write their meanings, and 1 example sentence for each. After 1 month, you will have almost 90 new words. My student Layla did this. She had a colourful notebook full of little drawings and words. She told me, now I can understand more when I watch English movies. That's because vocabulary gives you power. So remember, learn just 3 new words every day and use them. Speak them. Write them. Play with them. Are you ready to discover the 4th habit? Let's go. It's one of my favourites. You're doing amazing, my friend. Let's keep going. It's time for habit number 4. Watch or listen to English media every day. Now, this one is fun, because it's about watching or listening to something you enjoy. It could be a short video, a podcast, a cartoon, or even a song in English. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be difficult. You can start with very simple English, and that's perfect. When you watch or listen to English, you hear how native speakers talk. You learn pronunciation, rhythm, and real-life sentences. You also start to understand English without always translating in your head. Let me give you some easy ideas. Watch a short cartoon or YouTube video for kids. Children's shows use easy words and slow speaking. Try shows like Peppa Pig or simple story videos. Listen to beginner English podcasts like this one. Even if you don't understand every word, just listen and enjoy the sounds. Play an English song that has simple lyrics. Then look at the words and sing along. Music helps with memory. Use subtitles when watching something in English. First, watch with subtitles in your language. Then, try with English subtitles. This will help your eyes and ears work together. Here's a fun challenge for you. Choose one short video or audio clip, only 3 to 5 minutes long. Watch or listen to it every day for 1 week. Each time you will understand a little more. You will start to recognize words and phrases. That's how your brain learns. through repetition and exposure. One of my students, Diego, watched the same English cartoon for 7 days. He told me, "At first I understood maybe 20%, but by the end of the week, I understood 80%. That's the power of simple practice. And don't forget, you can watch English content while cooking, cleaning, walking, or relaxing. You don't need extra time. Just turn English into part of your daily life. So remember, watch or listen to English media every day, even just a few minutes. Choose something fun, something easy, something you like. Are you ready for our final daily habit? Let's move on to habit number 5. Here we are, my friend. We've reached habit number 5. Write a short daily journal in English. Now don't worry, this does not mean you need to write long essays or perfect sentences. Not at all. This habit is simple. Just write a few sentences in English every day about your life, your thoughts, or your day. That's it. Why is this habit so helpful? Because writing makes you slow down and think in English. It helps you remember words better, use grammar more naturally, and express yourself clearly. Writing is like speaking, but with more time to think. And the best part? No one needs to see your writing. This is just for you. There is no pressure, no fear, just you, your thoughts, and your English. Let's do a small example together. Imagine today was a simple day. Your journal entry could be like this. Today is Tuesday. I woke up at 7 o'clock. I drank tea and listened to English music. The weather is sunny. I feel happy. That's it. Just 4 or 5 short sentences. It takes only 5 minutes. But when you do this every day, you are training your brain to think in English. Here are some ideas for what you can write about. What you did today, what you ate, what you want to do tomorrow, how you feel, something you learned, and if you don't know a word, no problem. Use simple words. Or look it up and learn something new. This is your English space, a place where you can grow. You can write in a notebook or on your phone. You can even type on your computer. Whatever feels easy for you. One of my listeners, Amina, started writing just 3 sentences every night before bed. After 2 months, she told me, "Now I can write messages in English without using a translator." That's because small daily habits create big changes. So your final mission is this. Write in English every day. Keep it short. Keep it honest. And keep going. Now, before we finish, I have a special bonus tip for you. Something that will help make all of these habits even stronger. Are you ready? Let's go to our final part. All right, my friend. Before we finish today's episode, I want to give you a bonus tip. Something small but very powerful. Celebrate your progress. Yes, that's right. Celebrate your progress, even the small steps. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Some days you will feel strong, and other days you might feel tired or slow. That's completely okay. What matters is that you keep going. If you learned one new word today, celebrate it. If you spoke one English sentence, be proud. If you listened to this podcast until the end, amazing job. Clap for yourself. Smile. Say, I am learning. I am growing. I am doing this. Remember, no one becomes fluent overnight. It takes time, but your daily habits are building the future version of you, a more confident, fluent English speaker. Let's quickly review the 5 daily habits. Start your day with English. Begin your morning with something simple. Speak out loud every day, even just to yourself. Learn 3 new words daily and try to use them. Watch or listen to English media. Make it fun and part of your life. Write a short journal in English, just a few honest sentences. If you do these 5 things every day, even for just 10 to 15 minutes, you will get better. I promise. Your English will feel more natural. You will understand more. You will feel proud. And I will be here with you every step of the way on the Fluent journey. Before we say goodbye, I want to tell you this. You are not alone. You are not too slow. You are exactly where you need to be. So keep learning, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to follow or subscribe to this podcast and share it with your friends who are also learning English. And if you want more simple and friendly English practice, come back and join me in the next episode. I'll be waiting for you. Until then, stay curious, stay kind, and keep speaking English.